Today, we're diving into GMB Heavy Industries' innovative aligning rolls technology. Our cooling beds feature unique aligning roll designs that minimize overspinning on multi-notch rolls, preventing product scratches and ensuring you get the best price per ton. Aligning rolls are a crucial part of any lawn product's cooling bed, positioned at the exit to align bar noses consistently as they enter the shear. Chain-driven by gear motors, these rolls ensure perfect alignment right up to the end stop, boosting your yield by preventing misalignment issues. GMB Heavy Industries offers turnkey solutions with our in-house North American team handling design, engineering, manufacturing, and installation. If your efficiency is lagging, our custom solutions can enhance your yield, keeping you ahead of the industry standard. We are proud to be a leading supplier in the North American steel mill industry, with our custom design solutions integrated across numerous steel mills. Trust GMB Heavy Industries to optimize your operations and improve your bottom line. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more industry insights.